Hi all, this is Miss Solomon and I'm going to show you how to make a basic graph in Excel. So let's say you have this set of data and I suggest that you put in the data exactly as you'd like it to be, including the titles of your axes with units. Note that if you start having, for example, if all of these values in the height category had a cm next to it for centimeters, so instead of 0.2, it would say 0.2 centimeters, 0.37 centimeters. It will not graph that because there's letters in there. So that's why putting units in the at the top here, sort of titling that column, is important. So I'm going to select all of the data that I want to graph. And so if I'm here, I can go to Insert. And here's a chart. And for this, I know that I want to make a scatter plot because my teacher told me to. All right. So now with this selected, it has put things on the sides, but it has no labels. It does not have a good title. So I need to do some editing. So with my chart selected, this chart tab pops up and I can add a title. Maybe I have to maybe edit it here. I double clicked there and I can write height of plant in the sun or something like that. Okay, so my title should be very descriptive. I need to add a horizontal axis title below the axis. And I know I want that to be the time with my units. Notice that I'm capitalizing the things that should be capitalized, and I'm adding a rotated title for the vertical axis as well. Okay, so these should be capitalized. I should have units where appropriate. Not all quantities have units, but if they need units, then they should have them. Okay, a couple of other things. If I only have one set of data, I don't need a legend. So I'll take that away so that it can maximize my graph. I don't need data labels. This menu popped up. I can show you how to get that. I just double clicked on my chart. And so here, I know I need a line of best fit. So I go to series and then I can select trend line. It made a linear trend line, and I would like to display the equation because then I can tell people what the slope is. Maybe that's important for my lab. Okay. Now, how do I get it out of here? I literally copy and paste. Okay, so I right clicked and I pressed copy. And if I was writing a paper, I can paste. On my computer, I did Command V, pasted it right into the document. I could even do this, right into an email. I'll email it to myself. And if, let's say, I had some text here and I just did Command V again to paste it in there, and then I can send it away. I'll show you what that looks like. Looks like that. Okay? So those are the ways that you make a graph, edit it in Excel, and then add it to either a document or an email.